Hey everyone, it's Joe Bladek here, and this is my credit tip of the week. So this week we're talking about rebuilding credit. What does that mean and how to do it really quickly? Okay, so rebuilding credit or building credit, almost the same thing, is where you are using your credit cards or lines of credit, car loans or mortgage or any kind of credit product to show the credit bureau agencies that you're able to pay back accounts on time, and in return, these credit agencies push out a score to the lenders whenever you apply for a loan or a credit line or credit card. Okay, so if you've ever gone through a bankruptcy, a consumer proposal, you are familiar with the term rebuilding credit. But if you've never had credit before, you're probably familiar with the term building credit. So with building credit and rebuilding credit, the quickest way to do that, and I always tell everybody this right away, is to open up a secured credit card. A secured credit card that has an application process, so your SIN number and personal details are attached to it, unlike a Canada Post Office prepaid MasterCard or something from the grocery store. Make sure it's like that. And the second thing is, if you can do this with 2 credit cards simultaneously, that's going to hugely impact the amount of time that it's going to take for you to rebuild or build your credit score. If you have any more questions, make sure you reach out to me. You can book an appointment with me for 5 minutes in the link in the video description below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to giving you future updates. My name is Joe Bladek, and I've been financing real estate for 14 years.